Today we are looking at the new addition to the Tribit series, the Flybuds C1. Now we looked at the original Tribit Flybuds a long time ago and they're great earbuds, loved them, and I was pretty happy to hear that they had a new addition. So it has the Qualcomm QCC3040 chip in it. It's sporting Bluetooth 5.2, which is great. 30-day money-back guarantee, 18-month replacement warranty, lifetime support guaranteed. That's pretty good. Tribit's awesome too, by the way. I'm sure their support is awesome. I've actually met them at CES. Super nice people. Then we got the wireless earbuds user manual. I guess it's all in English? No, it is not all in English. So it does support multiple languages, which is good. Oh man, see, those do look slick. I'm gonna hold off on that for a second. Oh, what kind of stuff we got in here? All right, so we got a plethora of ear cups, all different sizes. Good for everybody, no discriminating. We got our USB to USB Type-C cable. Oh, wow, that's a nice little container, I like that. Open them up. You got the LED light indicator on the front, so we can see it's almost got a full charge, not completely full. USB-C port on the bottom for charging. Let's just open these up. Oh my God, look at that. Hold up, let's zoom in on that. Hold on a second here. Hold on, look at that, that is slick. Oh, I'm liking that red accent. Oh yeah. I gotta say, when I saw the images, I was like, hey, that looks pretty good, but now that I'm holding it in my hand, that looks way better. The pictures don't even do it justice. That is clean looking. Super lightweight too, by the way. That is nice. So you got your kind of metallic black coating on the front. They are plastic. You got your matte black on the inside. They do indicate right and left. What makes these unique from others is that they actually have a patented physical button on here. It's for play and pause, volume control, power on and off, and voice assistant. So Alexa, Google Assistant. Now these are IPX5 water resistant. Wow, that is, oh, see? Oh, I could get down with these. Yep. I'm feeling them. They have a really good seal. I could just hear the muffling of my own voice right now. But with the IPX5 rating, they could be fully submerged in water up to 3.3 feet for about 30 minutes. Each bud gives you 12 hours. You can use them independently. We're gonna test that. Plus, with the charge case, you get another 38 hours, which gives you a total of 50 hours of charge time. So they're definitely gonna last you all day long. Also, because it's USB-C, it's got the super fast charging. So with 10 minutes of charging, you get an hour and a half life out of it. There you go. So they're charging up. On the bottom, you've got those are the actual connection points for the charge case. So they're actually at the stem, and right next to that is the microphone. Now, I believe they both have, yeah, because it's dual channel, so they both have a microphone. For the actual button, got previous track by double clicking, rejecting phone call by double clicking, increase volume, press and hold. On the right earbud, decreases left earbud, okay. Answer, you just tap it. Activate the voice assistant is a triple click on the left or the right. All right, well, let's power these on. Also, these have CVC 8.0 call noise cancellation, so anybody on the other side should not be disturbed by a whole bunch of loud sounds. There we go. Tribit Flybuds, boom. That was super fast. Wow. Yeah, look, they both connected all in one time, so you don't have to connect them individually. It just detects it. So that's really cool. As soon as you open the case, it's gonna turn them on so you're ready to go right off the bat. That's really nice. No hassle. Very clear sounding. That's just an ad though. Oh. Okay, hold on, I gotta pause that. Wow, they've got a super clear soundstage. Very, very vibrant. Almost as good as like full-fledged headphones. It's got a very open sound, but at the same time, they're really well sealed. Like kind of like open back headphones. Very nice. They get really loud. Like you can really turn them up. And they're super clear, even at max volume. Am I yelling? Probably. The bass is nice and smooth. I'm gonna test it out. Let's go old school here. Let's do a little bass boosted. Wow. Okay, I need a different bass though. Well, while I'm listening to ads, let's test the back pocket test. Seems like a really solid connection though. Okay, no skipping or anything. Yeah, those lows carry really nicely. Even at max volume, no distortions, very smooth sounding. It's got a nice little rumble. Yeah, I mean, as far as earbuds go, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Even though this is bass boosted, they don't get like too overpowered, like it's not completely dominating, but it's super smooth all the way through. I like the sound so far. I'm gonna check the clarity though. Very, very good. Okay, cool, yeah. Highs, mids, lows, they're all very well balanced. Of course, you can use a equalizer app or something to change it to what you like, but I think they did a really good job fine-tuning everything. They sound really good. Super comfortable though. I think these are gonna pass. Okay, here we go, shake test. Yeah, they didn't even budge. Wow. Okay, I like these. I have now changed my mind completely though. I like this style earbud, or should I say this style AirPod style, you know what I mean? Wow, I really like that. All right, I'm gonna do a distance check. All right, I'll be right back. Man, God, those sound good. Okay, all right, not too bad actually. Keep in mind when I leave the studio, I go in this direction, I do an S-turn and then go that way. So I'm walking about 30, 35 feet, but past a couple doors and stuff. And then it started breaking up a little bit, so really good. I love the fact that once you have it set up, you don't need to mess with anything. You just open it and put them on. Power on. Oh, perfect. That is perfect. This is what I've been talking about for so long now. Earbuds, this should totally be a standard. Tribit, you guys definitely got yourselves a winner. So no matter which bud you pull out, it doesn't matter. They're gonna work independently of each other. You can put one back in and take the other one out. It immediately syncs up. Absolutely fantastic. They're really well synced. Let's check latency real quick. They seem pretty spot on. I'm not noticing any kind of latency delay or anything. Yeah. These are nice. These are really nice. I will say this though, absolutely 100% best earbuds that I've reviewed in 2021. Okay, well, yeah, Tribit. I think Tribit is actually getting better. Just about everything that I've looked at theirs has been pretty good quality. I think they're actually getting better, which would explain their rating. Right now on Amazon, they've got a 4.5 star with over 1,200 ratings, and they're currently $70 or $69.99. With the 12-hour battery of each bud, plus the addition of the case, which gives you a total of 50 hours of playtime, that's gonna cover you for a couple of days. Unless you're non-stop, then that's actually 2 days and 2 hours. Tribit, you guys definitely did it. Great job, and absolutely, my hat goes off. If I wore a hat, my hat would go off to you. The fact that you guys really took the time to make sure that the pairing feature works independently of each other properly, that's great. That is great. Plus, you've also made me a believer now in the Earbud style earbuds. I'm just gonna call them the Tribit style. Why isn't Tribit more well known? I don't get it. These are fantastic. So if you're in the market right now, it's 2021, you want to spice up your game in the earbud department, definitely check out these Tribit Flybuds C1. These are awesome. These are great. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed at all in these. Man, these are great. I like these. New favorites, these are going directly in my pocket because it's small and discreet and it'll fit. Okay, am I forgetting anything? This is my first video back in a while. I don't want to forget anything. If I forgot something, let me know down below and I will double check it and then I'll get back to you guys in the comments. All right guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.